Good day to you all again, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you Pixel. This is going to be the Pixel launcher for iOS 10, and it has actually now been released on my repo, which you can find below, on Reddit, on Twitter, or just message me in any of them media places. So this is the Pixel launcher, this little tiny dot. It is minimalistic, it is just a little bit bigger than a badge icon. I'd say about 50%, and you can move it anywhere on the screen. Try not to move it off screen because you won't get it back again until you respring. The location does stick until you respring, and then it does zoom back up to the top, just about there. Alright, so I'll show you what this does. Simply tap to open up Google, and this will load straight to the Google homepage. I'll be adding app compatibility, so it'll load the Google app if you have it installed, but if not, it'll load Safari. And then simply just hold for about a second, and you'll bring up the little bar. Now the bar is actually messed up due to the double height of the status bar. You can use a tweak to fix that if you want. I will say you shouldn't have too much of a problem with it depending on what you're doing whilst using it. And then just simply search up something. So we could go YouTube antique dev, hit the little Google button, and it'll bring up YouTube antique dev. Now this does not exactly work for websites, so you can't just type HTTP things and it'll come up. Not just yet. I will be fixing that. So I'll show you what I mean. So we could do GitHub. .io, actually .com/ hit the Google button, and it'll bring up the link to the actual website, so you can then click on this, go to the next part, and it will allow you to go from there. I'll also be fixing that with links. It'll determine whether it's got the HTTP part or if not. And then to simply close it, I haven't worked out the keyboard either, so you can still use your screen. And you can't swipe down on the keyboard, can't type return. But at the moment, just to close the keyboard and remove all of that to get back to the dot, just tap the little X and you'll have the little dot which you can then move wherever. Now that was pretty much it for this tweak. You can leave that bar up, it'll keep your website named. Just type a bunch of stuff, close it. Okay, hold it, and it will keep your information until you respring or reboot. Now if you don't have anything inside of the search bar and tap the Google button again, it will bring up Google again, and I've got a ton of Google stuff. Okay, nice and clean again. Alright, so that is pretty much it for this tweak. You can close it down. It is always minimalistic. You can eventually make it movable, so you can move the bar from up the top down to just above the dock for a bit of a nicer look. New and improved settings icon. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this tweak and this video. It didn't take me too long to make because I already knew most of the options. I just had to get it to be able to move, and the search was the hardest part of the entire thing, but it's all working now. A few little bugs here and there, but they'll be fixed in the coming updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see all of you in the next video.